Hello guys! Welcome to Lesson 13 of the MANABU online textbook. Take note that this video will only focus on our online textbook, and if you want to know more about this grammar lesson, check our grammar lesson video on our YouTube channel. So let's get started. So on Lesson 13 of our online textbook, sentence patterns number 1, Watashi wa kuruma ga hoshii desu. Watashi wa kuruma ga hoshii desu. So this sentence pattern is used to say that you want something. So in this example, watashi wa ay kuruma ga hoshii desu. So the object that you want is marked with the particle ga, then the adjective hoshii desu. So kuruma ga hoshii desu, I want a car. So for example, you want money, you will say watashi wa okane ga hoshii desu. Or if you want to have friends, you will say watashi wa tomodachi ga hoshii desu. I want to have friends. Number 2, watashi wa sushi o tabetai desu. You will use particle o or the particle ga. Watashi wa sushi o tabetai desu. Watashi wa sushi ga tabetai desu. So this is the tai form of the verb. Verbs ends in mas. Tabe mas. So tabetai comes from the verb tabe mas. You remove mas and add tai. It means that you want to eat. Tabetai desu. Or for example, you want to drink beer. So watashi wa biru ga nomimasu. Nomitai desu. From the verb nomimasu, to drink, nomitai. I want to drink. Biru ga nomitai desu. Number 3, watashi wa Fransu e ryori o narai ni ikimasu. Watashi wa Fransu e ryori o narai ni ikimasu. So this sentence pattern expresses your purpose in going to a place. So in this example, watashi wa Fransu e ikimasu. I will go to France. Then your purpose of going is indicated by the particle ni. So in this case, ryori o narai ni, from the verb naraimasu. Ryori o naraimasu, to learn cooking or to study cooking. So that is your purpose of going to France. So from the verb naraimasu, you remove mas and add particle ni to make it the purpose of going. Watashi wa Fransu e ryori o narai ni ikimasu. I'm going to France to study cooking. Ryori o narai ni, study cooking. Welcome to Lesson 13, example sentences. Once again, Mr. Van will join us today.
Hello.
Number 1, Ima nani ga ichiban hoshii desu ka?
Atarashii ketai ga hoshii desu.
Hi. So the question is, Ima nani ga ichiban hoshii desu ka? Ima now, nani ga, what is ichiban hoshii desu ka? You want the most. Atarashii ketai ga hoshii desu. I want, so hoshii desu, I want. Atarashii ketai ga, a new mobile phone. So once again, you add the particle ga to the object that you want. Number 2, Natsuyasumi ni doko e ikitai desu ka?
Okinawa e iketai desu.
Ikitai desu.
Ikitai desu.
Ay. Natsuyasumi wa doko e ikitai desu ka? So if you notice, we use the particle wa for the Natsuyasumi to make the Natsuyasumi or summer holiday as our topic. Then doko e ikitai desu ka? Where do you want to go? Place A. Then ikitai, want to go desu ka? He said, Okinawa e ikitai desu. I want to go to Okinawa. Number 3, Kyou wa tsukaremashita kara nani mo shita konai desu.
そうですね。今日の会話は大変でしたね。
Kyou wa tsukaremashita kara, because today I was tired, I feel tired. Nani mo shita konai desu. Nani mo means nothing. shitai from the verb shimas, to do, then shitai, want to do. The negative form of shitai, want to do, is like the i adjective. We remove the i, then add kunai. Shitakunai desu. Then, so desu ne. Understand. Kyou no kaigi wa taihen deshita ne. Kyou no kaigi wa, today's meeting, taihen deshita, was tough. Taihen means tough, hard. Taihen deshita. The past tense for taihen is deshita because it's an adjective. Number 4. 週末は何をしますか？
子供と交尾へフォニを見に行きます。
はい。So, 週末は this weekend. 何をしますか? What are you going to do? He answered 子供と. So, if you remember, we use the particle to the person if we're doing something with a person. Then, Kobe e, to Kobe, place e. Funi o mini ikimasu. So, Kobe e ikimasu, I'm going to Kobe. Then, the purpose of going to Kobe is stated with Funi o mi ni, particle ni. Funi o mi mas, from the verb mimas, means to look or to watch. Funi o mimas, to see ships. Then particle ni. Remove the mas and ni. Add ni to make it the purpose of going to a place. Number 5. Nihon e nan no benkyou ni kimashita ka?
美術の勉強に来ました。
Okay. Nihon e, particle e, for the verb kimasu. Place e, kimasu. Nihon e nan no benkyou ni kimashita ka? So, nan no benkyou comes from the verb bijutsu no benkyou. It means study of art. So, nan no benkyou ni kimashita ka? What did you come to study in Japan? He answered, Bijutsu no benkyou ni kimashita. I came to study art. So his purpose of coming to Japan is to study art. Bijutsu no benkyou ni. Number 6. Fuyu yasumi wa doko ka ikimashita ka?
北海道へスキーに行きました。
So, Fuyu Yasumi wa, this winter holiday, doko ka ikimashita ka? Did you go anywhere? So, it means it's in the past. Did you go anywhere during the winter holiday? He answered, yes, Hokkaido e ikimashita. I went to Hokkaido. Then the purpose of going to Hokkaido was ski ni, to ski. So, Hokkaido e ski ni ikimashita. The verb for to ski is ski o shimasu. So this is a group 3 verb. So for the cases of group 3 verbs, we will not use shimasu. Instead, just the noun like ski o shimasu, we will use ski then particle ni. So now let's jump to the conversation video.
Mo, 12時ですよ。エロコアを旅に行けませんか？どこへ行けますか？
そうですね。今日は日本料理が食べたいですね。
じゃあ、城屋へ行きましょう。
ご注文は？
私は天ぷら定食。
私は牛丼。
天ぷら定食と牛丼ですね。少々お待ちください。1880円でございます。
すみません。別々にお願いします。
はい、天ぷら定食980円。牛丼は700円です。
So for lesson 13, exercise A, once again, I will read the sentences and please repeat after me. Number 1, Watashi wa kurumaga hoshii desu. Watashi wa kurumaga hoshii desu. I want a car. Attach the particle ga to the object that you want. Next, Watashi wa uchi ga hoshii desu. Watashi wa uchi ga hoshii desu. I want a house. Next, Watashi wa tomodachi ga hoshii desu. Watashi wa tomodachi ga hoshii desu. I want a friend. Number 2. So let's start from the interrogative sentence. Anata wa nani o shitai desu ka? Anata wa nani o shitai desu ka? What do you want to do? The answers are Watashi wa kamera o kaitai desu. Watashi wa kamera o kaitai desu. I want to buy a camera. So kaitai comes from the verb kaimasu. Then change to tai form kaitai. So I want to buy. Next line, Watashi wa kazouko ni aitai desu. Watashi wa kazouko ni aitai desu. So this is from the verb kazouko ni aimasu, to meet my family. Then change aimasu to tai form aitai desu. I want to meet my family. Next line, Watashi wa gaikoko de hatarakitai desu. Watashi wa gaikoko de hatarakitai desu. I want to work abroad, or I want to work overseas. Gaikoko means overseas. Hatarakitai desu from the verb hatarakimasu. Then hatarakitai desu, I want to work. Number 3, from the verb ikimasu. Then the tai form is ikitai desu. Ikitai desu, I want to go. The negative form of ikitai desu is ikitakonai desu. I don't want to go. So ikitai, just like what we did on the e adjectives, to make it a negative form, we omit i, then add kunai. So ikitai, ikita, then kunai desu. Next line, the verb tabemasu. Tabetai desu. Tabetai desu, I want to eat. The negative form is tabeta konai desu. Tabeta konai desu. Next line, kekkon shitai desu. Kekkon shitai desu, I want to get married. The negative form is kekkon shitakonai desu. Kekkon shitakonai desu, I don't want to get married. Number 4, Watashi wa Kyoto e asobi ni ikimasu. Watashi wa Kyoto e asobi ni ikimasu. So Watashi wa Kyoto e ikimasu, I'm going to Kyoto. And the purpose of going to Kyoto is asobimasu. Asobi ni, from the verb asobimasu, to enjoy. Next line, Watashi wa Kyoto e Nihon ryori o tabe ni ikimasu. So the purpose of going to Kyoto is Nihon ryori o tabe mas. So remove mas. Nihon ryori o tabe, the particle ni. Next line, Watashi wa Kyoto e kaimono ni ikimasu. So the purpose of going to Kyoto is kaimono o shimasu. Kaimono o shimasu means to go shopping, and this is a group 3 verb. Kaimono o shimasu. We remove the o shimasu and kaimono particle ni to make it the purpose of going. So the interrogative is, Anata wa Kyoto e nani o shi ni ikimasu ka? Anata wa Kyoto e nani o shi ni ikimasu ka? So this is asking about your purpose of going to Kyoto. Nani o shi ni ikimasu ka? So that's all for this lesson, guys. If you want to know more about this lesson, check our grammar lesson video on our YouTube channel. Diba? Minasang, gambatte ne.